Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart for my second visit now to Arno School here in Allen Park, Michigan, home of the Cougars. And the first focus was on positive life choices, making that choice to love ourselves before we can go and send that love to someone else, and really knowing our worth and our value, that we always give our best effort, and we always have the effort, not always the outcome, but just to do our best and rest. Today, though, we kind of built on that, and I reinforced some of those principles from the first talk, but we focused on bullying, and in particular seeing someone for their heart first. Right, our heart's the same size as our fist, but we can turn this into this if we let love, peace, compassion, empathy, kindness fully enter into here. What was kind of cool, how one student brought it up, is that when we are given that gift of kindness, and when we receive it, now it's kind of stirring our heart to make us want to go and give that to someone else. And that was just a story that she had shared, where she was befriended by somebody, kind of protected almost, somebody that was bullying her, and somebody else stepped in to kind of squash that. And now that she has felt that, she's going to go and try to give that gift to someone else by being their voice or standing up for what's right. And even though that's not easy, it takes a lot of courage, because sometimes we can be drawn into that bullying ourselves. We know that we have to do that the person who's probably being mean to us is hurting on the inside. And that key concept of hurt people is a choice, but we can choose to become the healed people who help heal people and let our light shine. And there were some tears. There was kind of emotional on some of the talks today, but it was just a really amazing time for me, at least, and just always very humbling when you have a lot of students that come up to you afterwards and say that you really changed my life, and I'm going to start choosing kindness. And no matter all the pain that I've been through in the past, or I'm going through right now, I'm still going to choose to be other people's hope and be their light. And for a 7, 8, 9-year-old to tell you that, that's why I'm doing this. So thanks for touching my heart. You guys are amazing, a great group of kids. I could hear a pin drop through both assemblies, and I know they were all ears, all hearts, and you guys definitely touched my heart. So if I'm able to do that to yours in 45 minutes, that means you guys have been given a gift, but now it's up to you to go and keep sharing that. So hopefully they start the Cougar Club here, which is like a kindness club. Keep that compassion going, keep spreading all that love. And again, thanks for letting me come and share my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.